Kamusta, Dallies, and welcome back. This may be a bit late, but I want to greet my mama and all the moms out there a happy Mother's Day. You guys know I love making matching outfits here on my channel. So I feel like it's only right to make Barbie a matching mother and daughter dress. By the way, this is a no pattern dress, meaning you don't need to print any patterns to make this. All you need is a ruler and a pencil. Since it's summer here in the Philippines, I'm thinking of making them a sundress. Cut 3 rectangle fabrics, each with different measurements. Take the top and the bottom and hem the edges. Now for the top, mark 2 darts at the center. And to make that, take your ruler and measure 1.75 inches and 3.25 inches. Mark those two, and starting from the bottom, measure 0.75 inches on both of them. Next, put 2 dots on both of its sides, each measuring 0.25 inches. Connect those 3 points and we have the darts. Sew those darts close. Then take the middle fabric from before. Sew a running stitch at the top. Pull the running stitch to gather the fabric to the same width as the top. Sew them together and we have a dress. You can honestly stop right here, but since I wanted the dress long, take the bottom fabric from earlier and basically repeat the steps we did on the first skirt. Add Velcro at the back. Take a disposable mask and cut the string off. This will be the straps of our dress. After the straps are sewn in the right place, take the leftover string and turn it into a bow. Attach those bows to the straps, and our dress is finished. Now for the daughter. Now her top is a little tricky to make. So if you're a beginner, I suggest to mark it first onto a paper and trace it on the fabric after. So mark 4 dots at the top, 0.5 inches, then 1 inches, then 2, and the last 2.5 inches. Then from the bottom, measure 0.25 inches, connect all the dots to make 2 squares. Then on both sides of the square, mark 1/8 inches on all of them. Connect those dots on the corner of each square and draw arcs in between those edges. Erase all the unnecessary lines and we have the armholes. After that, take the skirt out and sew a running stitch at the very top. Pull it to gather the fabric and attach it to the top. Sew a bit of the skirt close and we have our mini dress for the daughter. For reference, this dress not only fit Kelly, but also a Maki Chan doll, Little Mimi, and Evie dolls. Basically dolls that are 4.5 inches tall. And there you have it, a matching mother and daughter dress. I had a lot of fun making this, and if you also did, don't forget to give this a like and comment down below if you want to see more. Until then, paalam!